And when it's coming to you, definitely you are the person whom the idea has chosen as a collaborator.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope everybody is doing good. And yeah, today the weather is very good here. Like, I'll just show you my village. The wheat field have literally reached their highest potential, and they're ready to be, plucked. And soon we'll be eating it in the form of roti. So yeah, this is the wheat field that I'm talking about. As you can see, it have literally grown so well. Yeah, so that was that. It's looking so beautiful. I think I'll go for a walk tomorrow morning and do a good shoot there. It's a privilege, I think, to stay in a village. At the same time, it also becomes a limitation. So it's good. Like, I like staying here, and it's fine. Like, you can come here, enjoy for some days, and then can you imagine people who are already staying here, like who has been here for the past say 60, 70 years of their life. Like, I don't know what to call it, but I think their mentality and everything is so different. They're so connected to the nature. I had just seen a reel where they say, like, if you are feeling like something very bad, plant this tree. If you're like, instead of getting into spirituality so much, connect yourself more with the nature, they said. And that hit me so hard all the time. But when I get these kind of reel, and I just feel like sometimes you just feel it's that knowledgeable point, and it hits the best part of your brain. And yeah, you feel good about it. So I just gave a thought over it, like, why not connect yourself with the nature instead of spiritually getting connected to only the kind of mantras or say chanting. Why don't you know get more into the nature? Like, you see how beautiful it is. Like, can you see? This is nothing. I'll show you more a better view. So can you see? That's the view. And I don't know, I just feel it's so good. Like, it's so good. I'm here to talk about a very important thing. See, many people will tell you that, you know, you should start doing something at certain age, right? And I believe firmly in this, that there is no age limit to whatever you want to do. I believe whenever the idea pops up to your head, like, okay, मेरे को ये करना है, ठीक है? So I think one should initiate it without thinking it twice, because you never get a second chance. So I'll tell you a story what happened with me. Let me just place the camera. Yeah. So what I was saying is, solar panel also, be staying in this village and putting up solar panels. Thankful to my dad, because he is very thoughtful in all these cases. Like, really appreciate that. Yeah. So yeah, what I was saying is, don't listen to people who say you that age is a limit and you should do certain things at certain age. People say na, ये उम्र के साथ ही अच्छा लगता है. No, don't follow that. Because in my experience, I'll tell you a story. Uh, 8 months earlier, like back, I was staying in my, मतलब, it was the first time when I started, मैं घर पे रहने लगी. नहीं तो मैं हमेशा, like, it was always out. जब मैं पढ़ाई करती थी पहले, it was Darjeeling and then Siliguri and then shifted to Kolkata and then Delhi. And things went like that. So this is the first time I'm staying in my village, and it's been an year that I'm here. Okay. Turns out that before few months I started like I had an idea that मेरे को ना ये सीखना है, like मेरे को ये सीखना है, and if I don't do it now it will go away. Like I told you, yeah, I told you in my previous vlog. I don't know whether I told you this or not. See, if idea comes to your head now, it want to collaborate with you. If you don't collaborate with the idea will become someone else's. So it still be in your head, and you can still incorporate it. But when it comes to your mind na, kar lo, kar lo. I tell you kar lo, because you won't have a regret. The matlab, the thing is you won't have a regret, and I feel so grateful that I took up and I learned something. I learned an issue. Those days I was fully stressed, like I told you. 8 months back, so many things were happening. Like I came back from Delhi, and out here people were talking about my wedding and stuff, and many things happened, and all that stress, depression, anxiety hit me so hard. I didn't give up. I was like, मेरे को कुछ तो challenging करना है. Like I have to do in order to, you know, order to make things good, in order to, you know, feel good about yourself. तो कुछ तो करना है. Then the thing came to my, मतलब it had come earlier also, before 2 years, and I also asked the coach, please मेरे को skating सीखना है. And first they looked at me, अच्छा ये skating सीखेगी. But then again they were like, हाँ, you can learn easily, you can learn. Obviously maybe sales purpose or maybe profitable, whatever reason it might be. But he told me one thing, भाई सीख तो लोगे, but before that, when you initiate, you have to have the mentality, you have to have the mindset. This is the only sports which requires 80% of your mental, you know, focus, mental focus. Obviously football खेलो, you need a you need a, क्या उसको बोलते हैं यार, you need hand to eyes or leg to eyes, क्या उसको होता है? I forgot the word. You need that kind of, क्या, अरे what is that called when it goes inter, it should be interconnected. Matlab, if you think like I'm going to hit the ball, your eyes must be on the ball, your leg must be kicking the ball. So that kind of, I don't know, I've forgotten the word. Do let me know in the comments kya hai word. I know you guys know, but I'm just not getting the word. So yeah, I was saying that, ठीक है, volleyball में also if you say you need eye to and hand. You need eye and hand, like you have to see the ball and then hit it. Thoda sa brain required, but not as much as skating. Skating requires 80%. Wait a minute, okay, it's getting dark, so I guess I'll be here. Yeah. So it requires 80% of the brain, whatever, brain functionality, of brain focus. So it said you can never learn skating if you don't have a strong mindset. Now just imagine, okay, just imagine, in the times when I was full depressed, मेरे को नींद नहीं आती थी भाई. For the first time, people who know me, I sleep at 8, I get up at 5. Okay, so this phase, I don't know, but it taught me so much things, so many things about myself. I found myself, and I feel like now nobody can take this away from me. And so I'm I'm open for, you know, feedbacks and stuff, everything. But if you tell inner me, like, you know, Himani, you should do this, you shouldn't do this at this age, and whatever, like that kind of short, like मतलब ये अब उम्र है क्या सीखने का and all that. So people cannot tell me that that strong mindset I've developed in this 8 months, and now it's gonna be an year. So yeah, I just wanted to tell that if you are willing to learn something, it's always advised that you start, because idea can never come to a people who is not capable, and when it's coming to you, definitely you are the person whom the idea has chosen as a collaborator. So give it your best and learn. Matlab, I will put down, I have the entire recordings on how I, progressed, how I learned skating without a coach. So it was not even me watching a YouTube how to learn. I was just like, अब तो चलाए मैं चलाऊंगी, चक्का तो मेरे को चलाना ही है. I started day one. I first unboxed my skating matlab, when I ordered it from Flipkart, and I unboxed. I was like कैसे होगा? It was heavy and I was like मैं कैसे करूँगी? पहले तो I wear, yeah, this might be shocking. I wear a 3 sized shoe, and I just thought it might slip off of my feet or whatever. Like 3 size con panta, not even a 5-year-old kid now has a, yeah, okay, has 3 size, and I am like 26, and like so that was the thing, and I was like, "Kaise how will I handle this heavy thing and stuff?" I wore it. I fell. Again, I wore it. I stood up. I sat down. Like, initial phase was so difficult. I thought मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, but you won't believe I showed up each day. I got tanned. I used to come up direct after my lunch, 2 o'clock. I used to come up and start. I got tanned like full tanned, and my mom was like, at least wear a sunscreen. मैंने सारा कुछ मैंने बस रख दिया था, मतलब मेरे को तो ये करना ही है. I don't care. And you won't believe, in those times when everything was so rough, that I haven't told this, but I used to cry every day, and there's not been a single day that, you know, I didn't cry. And in that tough situation, I took this challenging thing. So whenever, it's my advice, like whenever you are heading on to something, like you have faced this in your family or outside in your work culture, whenever you have faced this, take out some time for yourself. Don't जब पार्टी करने से ठीक हो जाएगा, I'll just hang out with my friend, and भाई ठीक है, but first you need to understand yourself. You need to take out your time and, meditate a little, come to know what is actually the thing that is putting you back, and then you'll realize, and slowly and gradually just start something new, start something challenging. you know it might not be very big for many of us. Even getting a glass of water from, the kitchen is a struggle. So small things, make small changes, start reading book. Even if I personally, I would say that मेरे को ना कभी I you won't believe the world had become such a fast paced, in the middle. Back when I was in Delhi, everything was planned, timings, and, mail karo, ye karo, wo karo, college, and I was so in a rush. And suddenly this pause like gave me a new life. I feel like I got myself back, and I am, I'm ready to take the new opportunity. I'm ready to go all in, and yeah, now it's just Himani era that's gonna come. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to tell, if you're, if the idea pops up, whatever, start a small business, do it. I have to join a badminton club. Do it. That's the best decision you will make. And yeah, that's it. So I just wanted to tell this. And और yeah, also my website, भाई website नहीं हो पा रहा है. Give the payment gateway very fast, so the lot of process going on. So they told they'll call me back for some interrogation and all that. I am ready for it, and yeah, let's see. I hopefully it should get started by the next week, or else I'll be so demotivated. And yeah, just pray that it should just happen. COD वैसे है, cash on delivery is there, that option has already implied, and I have also got 2 orders already, so I'm happy. Thank you for all your support and be grateful. I'm so grateful that you guys are there and I have a community of 117 people watching me out there. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and yeah, that's it.